Hi everybody and welcome back to English for Professionals. I'm Derek and I'm here with another short lesson for you busy people out there. In this lesson, we're going to look at some useful phrases for making small talk with a company visitor. But before we start, I just want to remind you to subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button, click on the little bell, and don't forget to join my email list. Every 2 weeks, I send out my Business English Vocabulary newsletter with some great business English vocabulary for you to learn. So check it out, the link is in the description. And now we can start the lesson. Are you ready? Here we go. So imagine this situation. Somebody is coming to visit you at your company for the first time. It could be a business partner, a colleague from another office, or a customer. You need to pick them up at the airport, travel back to the office, and also make them feel welcome when you arrive. So let's have a look at some useful phrases and other things you can say in these different situations. Let's start with picking the person up at the airport. You see the person and you recognize them, maybe from a photograph or from a description, and you go to them and you say, "Hello, it's Mr. Smith, isn't it?" "Hello, it's Mr. Smith, isn't it?" Or you could say, "You must be Mr. Smith." "You must be Mr. Smith." Of course, then you will introduce yourself and you can follow this with "Nice to meet you." Or if the person says that first, you could say, "Nice to meet you too." Another great phrase, for example, if you've had contact with the person per email or on the telephone often, but you've never met them, you could say, "It's great to finally meet you in person." It's great to finally meet you in person. Another great phrase for this situation is, "Please let me help you with your bags." Please let me help you with your bags. Or, "Let me take that for you." Let me take that for you. And then as you start walking out of the airport, you could say something like, "How was the flight?" It's a typical question. How was the flight? And as you're walking to the car, you could say, "The car is just down here. Please follow me." The car is just down here. Please follow me. Okay, so you're in the car and you're traveling back to the office. This is a great opportunity for small talk. So you could say something like this. "So, is this your first time in Madrid?" "So, is this your first time in Madrid?" Or, "Have you been to Spain before?" "Have you been to Spain before?" You could also give the person an indication or let them know how long the journey is. So you could say something like, "The offices are not far. It will take about 15 minutes to get there." The offices are not far. It will take about 15 minutes to get there. If you haven't arranged accommodation for the person, maybe you could ask them, "Which hotel are you staying in?" Which hotel are you staying in? You can always mention the weather. A typical way to make small talk, using a tag question, so a little question at the end. "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" Or, "It's a terrible day, isn't it?" You could ask them about the weather in their city. "How's the weather in London at the moment?" "How's the weather in London at the moment?" Or, on your way to your offices, maybe you pass by some interesting sights. You could say something like, "We'll be passing the Royal Palace in a moment. It's just up here on the left if you want to take a look." "We'll be passing the Royal Palace in a moment. It's just up here on the left if you want to take a look." So you arrive at your offices and you can say something like, "So here we are. And when you get out of the car, come this way, please. Come this way, please." On your way to the entrance, maybe you can say, "Let's go to reception and get you a visitor's pass." Let's go to reception and get you a visitor's pass. Then when you're inside the building or in your office, you could say, "Can I take your coat?" Or, "Can I take your jacket?" and then you want to offer some refreshments, you can say, "Can I get you anything? Tea, coffee, or water? Can I get you anything? Tea, coffee, or water?" If you have to go and arrange that, or if you have to leave the office for a moment, you could say, "Please make yourself at home." Before we finish, let's just look at some more phrases and sentences for different situations. Imagine the person makes their own way to your office, so you don't pick them up. They drive or they take the train. When they arrive at your offices and you meet them, you could say, "Did you have any trouble finding us? Did you have any trouble finding us?" This is a nice polite way to make sure their journey was without any complications. "Did you have any trouble finding us?" You can also make small talk about what's going on in the city at the moment. If, for example, there's a sports competition or a big business event, you could mention this and maybe this could start a conversation. Here's an example. Imagine you're on the way to the office, you're in the car. You could say, "There's a lot of traffic, there's a lot of people around." Maybe you can say, "There's a lot going on at the moment because of the football championship." There's a lot going on at the moment because of the football championship. You could also talk about lunch or dinner. For example, if you have made some arrangements, you can tell them this. "I've made a reservation at a really great Italian restaurant which is near your hotel. I hope 7 p.m. is okay." "I've made a reservation at a really great Italian restaurant which is near your hotel. I hope 7 p.m. is okay." So that brings us to the end of another short lesson. I hope you liked it. I hope you found those phrases useful. And please let me know in the comments which areas of small talk you find difficult, and maybe I'll create a lesson on that topic. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, hit subscribe if you haven't done already, and don't forget to join my email list. I send out an email every 2 weeks with some extra business English vocabulary for you to learn. The link is in the description. Check it out. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.